Greetings to all of you. Program BVM, Subject Principles of Management, Chapter number 4, Direction. Topic, Importance of Motivation. Contents of this video are importance of motivation. Motivation is one of the element of direction. Motivation has been called the core of management. Motivation is one of the most crucial factors that determine the efficiency and effectiveness of organization. So, if an organization is effective and efficient, it means there will be a good team of motivators. All organizational facilities will remain useless unless the people are motivated to utilize these facilities in a productive manner. So, if there is no motivation, the resources of the organization are useless. High motivation provides the following advantages. The first advantage of the motivation is higher efficiency. So motivation is an effective instrument in the hands of the management to maximize their operational efficiency. A worker may be very competent, but no activity can take place until the individual is willing to perform that activity. What employees do depends largely on how much and why they want to do. Motivated employees give greater performance than demotivated ones. So the motivated people will perform with higher efficiency than demotivated people. The second advantage of motivation is that optimum utilization of the resources. Motivation inspires the employees to make best possible use of different factors of production. They work wholeheartedly to apply their abilities and potentials in minimizing waste and cost. The motivated employees will apply all the abilities they have that leads to increase in the cost and waste of the resources. The enterprise can make maximum use of its physical and financial resources. The third advantage of motivation is reduction in labor turnover. So high motivated employees will be getting the job satisfaction and opportunities for need satisfaction make employees loyal and committed to the organization. So high motivated people will be having a number of opportunities, so that leads to job satisfaction. So job satisfaction will lead to commitment and loyalty to the organization. So as a result, there will be a less labor turnover and less absenteeism of labor. Next advantage of the motivation is that there will be a better industrial relations. The highly motivated employees will be performing with efficiency, so that leads to higher labor productivity. The increased labor productivity in turn results in higher wages for employees. Whenever there is a increase in the labor productivity, the employees will get higher wages And motivational schemes create integration of individual interest with the organizational objectives. So in order to motivate the employees, the organization will be giving uh, designing some of the schemes. So those schemes will result in the mutual organizational objectives. So there arises a sense of belonging and mutual cooperation at all levels. When the organizational leads and individual leads are get integrated, so that leads to belongingness. So they feel that the organization belongs to them. So that motivation will foster team spirit and reduced labor unrest and create better relations among the management and workers. The another advantage of motivation is easier selection of employees. An enterprise that offers abundant financial and non-financial incentives enjoys reputation in the labor market. The organization which provides financial and non-financial incentives to the employees, so that organization will be having a reputation in the market. Therefore, it can attract the competent persons for filling various vacancies. That means to say, when the organization provides incentives to the employees in order to motivate them, so that type of organization will attract more employees. So that leads to easier selection of the people in the organization. The next advantage is that it facilitates change. Motivation facilitates change. So high motivation helps to reduce the resistance to change. When the people are motivated, so they undertake whatever the task is given. So that leads to accept the change. Even there are changes, the people will accept the changes. An organization has to incorporate changes to cope with the environmental changes. Whenever there is a change in the environment, according to that, the organization has to make changes. Whenever there are changes are made, the motivated employees will accept very easily. So properly motivated employees will accept, introduce and implement these changes, keeping the organization effective. So when there is a change in the environment, so accordingly the organization has to change. If there are motivated employees, so they will easily accept the changes introduced by the organization, and even they themselves will be introducing the changes, and they will also be implementing those changes so that the organization will be effective. On the other hand, if the employees are not motivated, so there will be resistance for change, and that leads to conflict among the laborers and management, which will be a labor problem for the organization. So these are the some of the advantages of motivation. So motivation is one of the important aspect of the management. It is the core of the management. So with the motivated employees, the organization can achieve its desired goals and objectives. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.